In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member or collaborator to Jotform. Whether you're working on a project with colleagues or getting feedback from clients, adding a collaborator can be a game changer. So let's dive into the simple steps to make this process smooth and efficient. First things first, you need to log in to your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Forms section. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing forms. Choose the form you want to collaborate on. If you need to make any preliminary adjustments, click on Edit Form to tailor your document before sharing it. But remember, this step is entirely optional. Now that you have your form open, the next step involves accessing the collaboration settings. Look towards the top right of your screen and you will see an option labeled Add Collaborators. Click on this and it'll direct you to the necessary settings page where you'll be able to manage who you're inviting to join your effort. This step is a crucial part because it defines the access you'll be extending to others, ensuring a collaborative workspace that's tailored to your team's needs. Moving forward, it's time to share the collaboration link you've just generated. Copy this link and then share it with the individuals you wish to collaborate with. It's worth noting that anyone who receives this link will have the ability to edit the form in real time, just like you. The real-time editing feature is incredibly handy as it allows multiple people to contribute simultaneously, making the teamwork experience fluid and dynamic. Changes are synchronized instantly, meaning everyone can see the updates as they happen, keeping everyone on the same page without any unnecessary delays. A quick reminder, the link you share will only be active for 3 days. This limitation is useful as it ensures security and control over who can access your form. Once these 3 days elapse, you will simply need to generate a new link if further collaboration is required. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently add collaborators to your Jotform, facilitating a productive and seamless teamwork experience. Remember that open communication is key in any collaborative environment. Always inform your team members when changes are made and encourage feedback to enhance the quality of your project. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you understand how to add team members or collaborators to your Jotform. Feel free to drop any questions you have and join us next time for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy collaborating!